What causes pandemic infections and how to prevent future ones? Nobel laureate Joshua Lederberg once warned that the greatest threat to humanity's dominance on Earth is not war or disaster, but a virus. This idea was also echoed in the 1995 film Outbreak. The emergence of viral pandemics has captured global attention, highlighting the complex relationship between human societies and the microbial world. Understanding what causes pandemics, and more importantly, how to prevent future outbreaks is crucial in our interconnected world. As we recover from recent pandemics, exploring their origins and dynamics helps us strengthen defenses and develop strategies to protect public health and global stability. What is a virus? The COVID-19 pandemic affected millions worldwide, bringing societies to their knees. Viruses are the smallest and simplest infectious agents that can only replicate inside the living cells of an organism. Since they lack their own reproductive structure, they must infect a host cell to multiply. Once inside, a virus inserts its genetic material into the host's DNA to create copies of itself. As the virus replicates, the host cell eventually bursts, releasing new viruses that infect other cells and spread the infection. Viruses can infect all life forms, including humans, animals, plants, and even microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi. In most healthy individuals, viral infections cause either mild symptoms or remain asymptomatic. However, some viruses can lead to severe or even life-threatening diseases. Why do viruses mutate so frequently? Like all living organisms, viruses undergo mutations over time. However, RNA viruses, in particular, lack proofreading mechanisms, which makes the replication process prone to errors. These random genetic mutations contribute to their high mutation rates, making them unpredictable and more challenging to control. Frequent mutations allow viruses to evolve and adapt to new environments, including overcoming immune defenses or resisting medical treatments. The more a virus circulates in a population, the more opportunities it has to change. However, a virus that becomes too virulent may also be less transmissible, as it can kill its host before spreading further. Mutations often occur in individuals with weakened immune systems. If viruses do not find suitable host cells, their population in the environment may decrease or remain stable. Some viruses can also exchange genetic material with their hosts, creating new, mixed strains with unique properties. This horizontal gene transfer plays a significant role in the evolution of all living organisms. Why are viruses so dangerous? Viruses are inherently unstable because they lack the ability to reproduce on their own. To survive, they must invade a host cell and hijack its machinery for replication. By camouflaging themselves, viruses trick host cells into accepting them. Once inside, they integrate their genetic material with the host's DNA and begin producing more viruses. The host cell unknowingly becomes a virus factory, spreading the infection further. This ability to manipulate host cells makes viruses particularly dangerous, as the body's immune system may struggle to recognize and combat the infection. However, not all viruses are harmful. Some beneficial viruses and bacteria, known as mutualists, live inside our bodies and help protect against dangerous infections. Certain viruses aid plant survival during extreme weather conditions, while good bacteria in our gut help with digestion and vitamin production. Microbes in the soil and oceans also play an essential role in nutrient cycling. Despite these benefits, viruses can cause both acute and chronic infections. Some remain dormant in the body for extended periods, reactivating whenever the immune system weakens. This makes them difficult to eliminate and capable of causing long-term health complications, including certain types of cancer. What causes pandemics, and how can we prevent future ones? Most infectious diseases that affect humans originate in animals, including both wildlife and domestic species like pigs and chickens. Humans, animals, plants, and the environment continuously exchange microbes as part of a natural life process. However, when human activities disrupt ecosystems, these exchanges become uncontrolled, leading to mutations and the emergence of new pandemic infections. Deforestation and large-scale land use for agriculture force wildlife out of their natural habitats, bringing them into closer contact with humans. Unregulated animal farming driven by increasing food demands, further facilitates the transmission of new pathogens. Interfering with nature in this way can give rise to dangerous, unpredictable viral strains. Our modern lifestyle, reliance on refined food, overuse of chemicals, excessive medication, and antibiotic misuse have contributed to the emergence of both a weakened human host and powerful viral strains. This combination creates the perfect conditions for a pandemic outbreak. Conclusion: microorganisms, including viruses and bacteria, have played a crucial role in shaping life on Earth. While humans, animals, and plants rely on microbes for survival, it is also microbes that regulate and control larger organisms. Maintaining a balanced ecosystem is essential for sustaining life. Disrupting natural processes through industrialization, pollution, and overuse of chemicals can trigger the evolution of dangerous pathogens. When we disturb the balance of nature, we increase the likelihood of future pandemics. Everything in nature is interconnected. Chemicals and antibiotics used in daily life eventually enter drains and water systems, affecting the environment. These contaminants contribute to genetic mutations in microbes, which then spread to plants, animals, and ultimately humans through the food chain. The cycle continues, affecting global health and stability. To protect ourselves, we must prioritize the health of our planet. Public awareness, responsible antibiotic use, sustainable agricultural practices, and strong healthcare systems are crucial in preventing future pandemics. We are only as safe as the environment we live in. Until our planet is protected, we remain vulnerable to new and evolving threats.